Formax presents the FD3302 Air Suction Document Folder. The Formax FD3302 Air Suction Folder offers high performance in a space-saving tabletop unit that can fold documents up to 25 inches in length. Fully automated, compact, and quiet, it's ideal for processing on-demand digitally printed documents in any print finishing environment. The air suction feed technology in the FD3302 is designed to handle heavy or coated stock and helps to eliminate feed marks common in friction feed systems. In place of an external air pump, the FD3302 uses internal fans to produce suction, giving it a smaller footprint and making it one of the quietest air-fed folders available today. Fan speed and airflow can be adjusted independently using the control panel and external adjustment knobs. In addition, the side air adapter enhances feeding of heavier stock and larger sheets of paper by providing additional airflow to increase separation. The FD3302 offers a range of user-friendly features, including touchscreen operation, automatic fold plate settings, automatic paper size detection, and optical and ultrasonic double feed detection for enhanced document integrity. The easy-to-use 4.3-inch color touchscreen LCD control panel provides for intuitive setup and operation. Users can easily access 6 common folds and can store up to 30 custom folds in memory. In addition, the variable speed can be set for optimal folding of a range of paper thicknesses. At top speed, the FD3302 processes up to 18,600 sheets per hour, producing crisp, accurate folds. To operate the FD3302, simply load up to 625 sheets in the infeed tray. Adjust the fan speed and airflow. Choose the fold type and press Start. As seen here, the infeed tray automatically raises up, and as the air is applied, the forms separate for accurate and consistent feeding. The outfeed stacking belt and rollers adjust automatically to keep the folded pieces neat and orderly. Common applications include brochures, menus, greeting cards, letters, direct mail pieces, and more. The FD3302 Air Suction Document Folder is ideal for processing on-demand digitally printed documents up to 25 inches in length in any print finishing environment.